Hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to export keywords to your Excel so that you can do whatever you want with the keyword lists. So let's type in here, for instance, Facebook. Check what people are looking for when typing Facebook. In this tool, of course, you get the search and so on and so forth. You get to Facebook, things that are related to Facebook. If you want to create a website or a post or a video, you can use this tool to find out what people are looking for. Right. So it's better to if you want just particular keywords, you just click and select them. I will here not select them one by one, but I will select all the keywords in all the pages. Nice. Here you come here to this little button here, and then you export as Excel, as other types of files. Okay, here. Then you wait, and then you will of course get the file. Alright, once you get the file, you can copy this. Sorry, my once you get the keywords, here are the keywords, the whole list. You can copy them to another document, or you can just copy, for instance, this as a tag or that as a tag. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe. Goodbye.